Let's see what happens. Yep. My engine's shaking like crazy. Sounds like shit. I don't know if you can see that. The whole engine's locking. Exhaust smells really bad. But RPMs are fine. It's not. I don't think it's anything to do with automatic control. Give it some gas. Nope, trying to stall. It just sounds like shit. It's not smooth. You hear the fuel pump running. Now the engine's smoothing out. It's shaking. Yeah, everything's smooth now. Let's see. It never fluctuated with that. So, I don't know if that's fuel or what. I